How to fix Windows touchpad not working on Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix your Windows 10 touchpad not working. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your search bar and simply search in for settings. So let me just quickly do that by simply heading over to my search bar and just searching for settings. And once you're inside here, just tap on this devices option, and from your left section just tap on this touchpad option over here, and make sure you have selected it to be most sensitive or medium sensitivity based on your choice, and you can do either of those for maximum performance. And just tap on this additional settings from the right section over here, and just tap on this hardware option over here, and make sure your device status says it's working properly on the Dell touchpad or any other touchpad that you might have, and just simply click on OK. And once you verify that, I want you to come over to the search bar and simply search in for device manager and open it just like that. So once you open your device manager, just locate the option that is mice and other pointing device, simply enlarge it and just select any of the touchpad which is shown over there, and just right click on that and simply click on update driver, and you can choose the first option that is search automatically for driver, which will automatically search in online for your driver. So make sure you have connected to your Wi-Fi network, and once you do all of that, just click on close. If it's updated, you can also click on the close and just restart your computer, and your issue should be fixed successfully. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.